Way to go, Silver Ridge from the outside is De Vega, 1 Bahamas, Sydney Bloom, Boss Pogi, Go Billies, running by the rally Scott May. It's now 1 Bahamas, Boss Pogi to grab the lead, Sydney Bloom. De Vega racing on the outside, running down on the inside is Go Billies, and racing out of the outside is Master Kai, Perfect Guad, down on the inside Scott May, in between runners Sugar Daddy, Silver Ridge, third last, second last Pilio, and Runaway Champ is the tail ender, and rounding the far time, Boss Pogi by about 2 lengths, 1 Bahamas, De Vega, then here comes Silver Ridge, and number 3, Cat May also rushing up as they race from the corner. Boss Pogi, Cat May by the rail. Silver Ridge on the outside, last 250. Cat May, Boss Pogi, Silver Ridge on the further outside. Cat May, Silver Ridge, Cat May, Cat May, Silver Ridge, Cat May. But Cat May this time by a length and a half. And finally, Cat May, number 3, Silver Ridge, Runaway Champ, Master Kai, Boss Pogi, Pilio.